Well, I think it's time to unleash the beast. This has been my project for some time now. My goal to build the ultimate diesel snowblower, and this is what we got right here. It's a Gravely Model LI with gear reduction wheels and a Chinese clone of a Yanmar 10 horse diesel on the back. And I'm sitting on the snow cannon attachment, which I have been itching to use. And in the driveway we got 3 inches of snow, which is absolutely barely enough to justify using that thing, but it is enough. So let's see how the snow cannon diesel repower handles this gross slushy buffalo snow. I can't wait. Buffalo Slush 1, Snow Cannon 0. Man. Let's go grab the other one. Alright, Dog Eater to the rescue. shame. Well, that was extremely embarrassing, and I could probably cry. Not even 3 inches of lake effect snow absolutely annihilated what I built to be the ultimate diesel snowblower. But to be fair, this is the kind of stuff that kills blowers. This probably weighs a pound. It even put a hurt on the repower. You could hear it kind of dogging out that diesel engine. With all the torque in the world, it makes like 22 foot-pounds of torque, and it was still struggling to rip through this crap. To be fair, it held up all right. It took filling this whole chute that much and more to kill it. So, I guess it did okay. I can't help but be disappointed just from the time and investment and how excited I was this morning to make Rooster Tails. But this gives us an opportunity. Not only did the snow cannon dog out and clog up, but so did my dog eater. And this snow cannon is all rusty and gross. I was too excited to use it. I just threw some oil in it and started blowing. And the dog eater is really nice, and it's all painted up, you know, no rust on it whatsoever. So both of those clogged. So I'm probably gonna look around for some additives, some of those ways to keep your chute clear. I understand that's one of those contentious things where all kinds of people say all kinds of things. But we got 2 blowers in 2 different conditions, so that is an opportunity for experimentation. Let's see which of these anti-clogging sort of solutions will work for us. But that'll be next time. Unfortunately, I was reduced to using these things as plows. Oh, as plows, my beautiful snow blowers. So, you know, they make plow blades for these things. It might not be a bad idea. That wouldn't clog very easily, and I'm sure this diesel would shove it like it's nobody's business. Another thing to think about. But for now, I reek like diesel cheech. I gotta go take a shower, and I gotta go to work. So until next time, shoots.